What's up, everybody? I'm Nurys, and this is Accidental Beauty Blogger at Home Edition. It's been a crazy few months, and I think we all deserve a little at-home spa. So today I'm joined by Africa Miranda, an actress, a model, a host, an author, and a beauty entrepreneur. We're going to be using 3 products together of her line, Beauty by Africa Miranda. I'm so excited because, guys, I need an at-home spa like now. Hi!
Hello!
How are you doing during this time? I know you are obsessed with traveling and now you're stuck at home, so what's happening?
I know it has, definitely been a transition because, I'm somebody that I am a homebody, but because I love traveling, home is like usually my break between traveling. So I'm always like, oh, we're, preparing to either go somewhere or just coming home.
So let's talk about the beauty line, Beauty by Africa Miranda. So each product that is shown today is inspired by a global destination, right?
Absolutely. I just loved how I felt when I was traveling. And when I would talk to people, I think most people would say you were on the beach or you're remembering like a great trip. It's something about like that sensation of how you felt in that moment. And the goal with Beauty by Africa Miranda was to, one, recapture that feeling, but also use ingredients to kind of help that process along too. I don't want you to just feel like it. I want you to look like it as well. Brazil was it was a trip that was very special to me. My time in Rio, it wasn't my first like international trip, but it was my first time where I was practically solo. The facial elixir has Brazilian maracuja oil, cupuaçu butter. I call this Brazil in a bottle because when you're on the beach, your skin has like that beautiful glow, from your tan. So these ingredients really help with brightening, fine lines, the texture of the skin. We can put on makeup, we can do all this stuff, but the foundation of everything is going to be exactly great skin and great texture.
I actually put this before, and first of all, it smells so good. It's nice, it's clean, it's refreshing. Yes. And it gave my face this beautiful glow, and it was so easy to put on my makeup after it. So I actually really enjoyed this.
All of my products are multi-purpose. Like, yes, it's like facial oil is like a hydrator, moisturizer, all that good stuff. But as a primer for makeup, it makes makeup go on, like you said, so smooth, and you're not greasy, you're not oily, you just have a great glow. I did a press trip with a brand to the south of France. When I was there, I found out about dry oil. They blend the oils very thin, so it sprays out as a mist. And you can use it as a fragrance, or when you're right out of the shower and your skin is damp, and then you can rub it in. You get that glow, but then also your skin is really hydrated. So it has rosemary, sweet almond, elemi oil. So it's, again, the scent.
The scent is clean.
So we're leaving the south of France, and now we are safely traveling to the beautiful island of Curacao. The people are amazing. Like, it's this wonderful blend of like Dutch and African cultures. Something about Curacao is just very refreshing. And I don't know. So that was like my inspiration. This is the Hydra Essence Complexion Mist. It has aloe vera water, coconut water, green tea extract to help tighten your pores, hyaluronic acid. You do a mist of this, and it's life. It's life. Sometimes makeup can feel like it's settling in your skin. You can do a quick mist to like refresh your face. It's also good to set your makeup as well. You can use this in the morning as like a toner or in between your skincare steps to keep your skin moist. Poolside, beach days, like on a long flight, like it's just wonderful multi-purpose.
I'm going to travel everywhere with these 3 products.
There you go. So on the site, I have a little bundle that I call the Glow Code. And what you can do is put a pump of the facial elixir in your hand, then do a quick spray of the Hydra Essence Complexion Mist. You do that on bare skin, it is going to just take your moisture level to the next level. So yeah, absolutely. You can feel it on your hands.
Mixing those 2 scents together.
Yeah. Yes.
It's really an at-home spa.
I wanted to create something that makes us take a moment, because anytime you touch your body, you should be honoring yourself. And especially, I think, in time like now, like we need to kind of create small moments in the day when we're not stressing about like work and trying to homeschool and figure out what's next, because we're all struggling, to just take a second to just say, you know what, it can be okay. And it will be okay, if nothing else, for this little moment that I'm taking.
How did you even get into skincare? Because you do so much.
I started my career like in the beauty space almost 15 years ago as a model. Like I was the face of hair brands, and I was doing like beauty campaigns. So I also do a lot of commercial work. So when you're on set, you just learn a lot about like branding and storytelling. And it just felt like a great way to bring like my travel story and my love of beauty, because I do love skincare, bring it together. And that's, that's really where it started.
Let's say can't get all these 3 products? What's the ultimate must-have?
The ultimate must-have is going to be the facial elixir. If you can't do anything else, this is going to do the heavy lifting for you. At night, take a little of the facial elixir and rub it on your lips as an overnight lip treatment. If you have unruly brows like me, you can smooth a little bit on your brows as like a brow treatment. If you're wearing a blowout and your hair is straight, put a little bit of the facial elixir on, very little. You can use it to just smooth flyaways or like for a slick back ponytail. So there's just so many ways.
Let us know where we can find these products and where we can find you.
You can find the products at beautybyafricamiranda.com. And you can find me on all socials at Africa Miranda. I'm like, I say hello, so please say hey. I would love to know, if you have questions about the products or really just anything. I'm like, say hey. I say hey back.